Tired of the same old fitness routine, yearning for something new to shake up your workout regimen? We've got a solution that's as versatile as you are. Enter 7 fun workouts you can do anywhere, anytime. No more monotony, no more gym dread, just pure, unadulterated fun while you sweat it out. These workouts are designed to break the norm, inject a dose of excitement, and keep you engaged. So get ready, it's time to revolutionize your fitness journey. Let's dive in and explore these 7 fun workouts that can transform your fitness routine. First on our list are 2 power-packed workouts, burpees and mountain climbers. Burpees are the ultimate full-body exercise. Starting in a standing position, you swiftly drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, perform a push-up, jump your feet back in, and explode upwards into a jump. This sequence engages every muscle group, offering full-body conditioning in a short amount of time. On the other hand, mountain climbers are a fantastic cardio exercise that also targets your core. From a plank position, you quickly drive your knees towards your chest, one at a time, as if you're running in place. This movement increases cardiovascular endurance, while also improving strength and agility. These 2 exercises combined offer a high-intensity workout that can be done anywhere, anytime. They're perfect for those busy days when you can't make it to the gym, but still want to get a solid workout in. So next time you're looking for a quick, effective full-body workout, remember the dynamic duo, burpees and mountain climbers. Moving on, we have a trio of workouts designed to enhance your flexibility: yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi. The beauty of these workouts lies in their versatility, focusing on the harmony of mind, body, and spirit. Yoga, an ancient practice originating from India, is a blend of physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. It enhances flexibility, promotes mindfulness, and helps alleviate stress. Next is Pilates, a low-impact exercise that emphasizes proper postural alignment, core strength, and muscle balance. It's a go-to workout for anyone looking to tone their body and improve their posture. Lastly, we have Tai Chi. This Chinese martial art form is often referred to as meditation in motion. It's a slow-paced, flowing routine that improves balance, reduces stress, and brings about a calming effect. These 3 workouts, yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi, each offer unique benefits. They not only work on your physical strength and flexibility, but also focus on mental well-being. These 3 workouts are sure to bring a sense of balance and peace to your fitness routine. Last but not least, we have 2 heart-pumping workouts, skipping and dancing. These 2 activities are not just fun and enjoyable, they also pack a serious fitness punch. Let's start with skipping. This isn't just a schoolyard game, it's a powerhouse of a workout. Skipping ropes are portable and inexpensive, making them a perfect addition to your fitness routine. A few minutes of skipping can get your heart rate up, improve your coordination, and burn a substantial number of calories. Now let's move on to dancing. Dancing is a fantastic way to let loose and get fit at the same time. Whether it's a structured dance fitness class or just freestyling to your favorite tunes at home, dancing can boost your mood, improve your balance, and work your muscles in a way that few other workouts can. So next time you're looking for a workout, grab a skipping rope or turn up the music and get moving. Skipping and dancing are not just fun, they're also excellent for your heart and overall health. So there you have it, 7 fun workouts that can revolutionize your fitness routine. Burpees, mountain climbers, yoga, Pilates, Tai Chi, skipping and dancing, each bringing its own unique benefits. These workouts are flexible and convenient, enabling you to exercise anywhere, anytime. They are designed to boost your strength, balance, flexibility, and overall health. So why not shake up your fitness routine? Try these workouts and discover a new, fun way to stay fit and healthy.